The name McKinlay, derived from the Gaelic MacFhionnlaigh, signifies son of Finlay. It is a distinctly Scottish name but also found among the descendants of the Scots Plantation of Ulster in Northern Ireland, particularly in Antrim. Like many Scottish clans, McKinlay's history traces back to the ancient Gaelic clans and their intricate kinship systems. While not as common as some other Scottish surnames, McKinlay has left its mark in the historical records, albeit sparingly. In the 16th and 17th centuries, variations of the name such as Finlay, McIndlay, and Macinle are found. The name occurs most frequently in Glenlyon and Balquhidder, where numerous individuals bearing the McKinlay name left their imprints on the annals of Scottish history. One notable mention is Gillaspyk M'Kynlay, who witnessed a significant land transaction known as an instrument of sasine in 1493. Sir John Finlosoun, alias McAlan McKewilla, served as the vicar of Kilmorich in 1511, representing the attempt of a non-Gaelic scribe to write MacPhionnlaigh accurately. The McKinlay clan also had members like John Finlosoun, Malcolm Minlay, and Donald McIndlay, who left their footprints across various regions. Beyond the historical records, Clan McKinlay's legacy extends to the present day, with descendants of the clan scattered across the world. Notably, the clan's influence even reached the shores of America, with William McKinlay, the 25th President of the United States, tracing his ancestry back to David McKinlay, an Ulster Scot born in the 18th century. The resilience and enduring spirit of Clan McKinlay are also reflected in their continued presence in Scottish society. Today, many individuals proudly bear the McKinlay name and preserve the traditions, stories, and cultural heritage of their ancestors. Through clan gatherings, tartans, and familial bonds, they celebrate their shared history and keep the flame of McKinlay's legacy burning bright. In an increasingly interconnected world, the preservation of ancestral heritage is of paramount importance. For Clan McKinlay, this means cherishing their unique traditions and passing them down to future generations. Clan societies, historical archives, and genealogical research provide valuable resources for individuals seeking to learn more about their McKinlay lineage and connect with others who share their heritage.